All right, so remember that when we see G O F, that really means G of F, which is like saying G of F of X. Okay? And then at some point we're going to evaluate that at 0. So what does that look like? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take G of X and I'm going to write it out. So G of X is equal to 4x minus 5, right? So I'm going to say 4 times something minus 5. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in f of x, which is going to be negative x plus 4. So what does this mean? Well, this is just G O F of x, okay, which is also G of F of x, which is what you guys are used to seeing. Next step, I'm going to push that 4 through the parentheses, so negative x times 4 is just negative 4x. Then 4 times positive 4 is a positive 16. Then we just tack on our negative 5 at the end. 16 minus 5 is a positive 11. So G of F of x, which is the same as G of F of x, is equal to negative 4x plus 11. But now they want us to evaluate that at 0. So if I say G of F evaluated at 0, I end up with negative 4 times 0 plus 11. This becomes 0. So G of F of 0 equals 11. So let me just double check that real quick and make sure that's the right answer. Yeah, that's one of our options. Okay. Any questions on that one?